How to improve your vocabulary. Use new words. Use a word immediately after you learn it. Try to make a get out of it using a new word as soon as you learn it. Every day, try to slip in a new word into the conversation, a journal entry, an assessment, or an email to a friend. Do this as often as possible and repeat the word to yourself. Read every day. Try to read a well-written and edited essay, magazine article, books, or new articles every day. Non-fiction and technical books will quickly teach you new ways to think and speak with words you may be unfamiliar with, but any type of reading will help you alone. Develop practical vocabulary. This means you should start by learning words that express what's important to you for the task at hand. A good example of this is learning trade language or words you use often in a hobby or vocation. Learn new words every day. To improve your vocabulary quickly, make an effort to learn at least one new word every single day. There are plenty of ways to do this, such a word of the day, calendar, or email list, or simply picking a word from a dictionary. Keep a journal. Journaling won't just help you develop your writing style, it will also help you improve your vocabulary. Try to use new or interesting words you have learned recently into a journal entry for at the day of the week. Diversify your reading list. If you tend to read the same sort of things day in a day out, you may not be exposing yourself to a wide enough range of vocabulary. Diversify the topics you read to include natural science, Shakespeare, contemporary literature, politics, history, philosophy, or any other topics you think you may enjoy. Do word puzzles. Word puzzles in the newspaper or a magazine aren't just a fun way to fill time. They are also perfect to boosting your working vocabulary. Crossword puzzles are a challenge that gets your brain working hard to search your memory for words you do know but don't use. And this can help you move words from your memory banks into your working set of vocabulary which will come across in your writing. Make associations. Start by saying the new word aloud. Then relate it to a word you already know. A good example of this is a Wartuan, which means very large or giants. Say a sequence aloud. Small, medium, large, very large, Wartian. Then list things you think are Wartian. Use mnemonics. Mnemonics techniques are memory tricks you can use to remember new words. You may remember a word by sounding if at thinking of a funny sentence that matches the meaning, such as turning a Gregory's trembling bat into "Don't let the smelly rotten egg rush us." Visualize new words. Research shows that visualize is a great way to remember new words and the meaning. A good example of this is the word stratovolcano, which is a high, blunted mountain with a violent explosion. One way to remember this meaning is the fact that the prefix strato sounds like "stray-ho", which may make you think of a stray ruler or stray or volcano. which describes the word's definition. And finally, ask for feedback. Do you think your greeting could ask some help? If you are struggling with your greeting vocabulary, try asking someone else for help. A second set of A's can offer a great deal of insight and spot problems you may not notice yourself, including poor word choice. Don't be afraid to ask a friend, teacher, coworker, or someone online to review your greeting for a feedback on your vocabulary.